Imagine waking up every morning with a pounding headache, sore jaw, and teeth that feel like they've run a marathon. This is the reality for 1 in 10 adults who suffer from bruxism, commonly known as teeth grinding during sleep. It's not only a nuisance, but a serious health concern that can lead to tooth damage, jaw disorders, and even changes in facial appearance. Enter the groundbreaking solution, the NightGuard Pro. This innovative device is designed to put an end to teeth grinding, transforming restless nights into peaceful slumbers. The NightGuard Pro is not your ordinary mouthguard. It is a smart, wearable device that uses biofeedback technology to prevent teeth grinding. Picture a sleek, comfortable design that fits perfectly in your mouth, almost like it's not even there. The NightGuard Pro is made from high-quality hypoallergenic materials, ensuring a comfortable fit regardless of the shape or size of your mouth. But the true magic lies in its advanced technology. The NightGuard Pro detects the onset of teeth grinding through sensors that monitor muscle activity in the jaw. When teeth grinding begins, the device sends gentle vibrations. These vibrations are a subconscious cue for your brain to stop the grinding action, allowing you to continue sleeping undisturbed. The NightGuard Pro is not just a device, it's a lifestyle improvement. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, without the discomfort that teeth grinding brings. Picture your days free from the nagging headaches and jaw pain that bruxism often leaves in its wake. The NightGuard Pro is a game changer, a revolution in sleep quality. It's time to take control, to say goodbye to teeth grinding and hello to restful, undisturbed sleep. So why not give the NightGuard Pro a try? It's an investment in your health, your sleep, and ultimately, your quality of life. Because everyone deserves a good night's sleep, free from the pain and discomfort of teeth grinding. Wake up to a brighter, pain-free morning with the NightGuard Pro. It's the dawn of a new era in sleep technology, and it's here to transform your nights for the better.